This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to remove a film from your watch list. So I'm right here on the main Letterboxd page on desktop, letterboxd.com. I'm logged in. What you will need to do, you will need to actually find your watch list first. So if you don't know how to do that, you will hover over your username and the picture of yourself there, click on profile. And from here, a couple of ways. We can click here for watch list, and the watch list currently actually shows up right here. So we're going to click on watch list. And you can see I only have one film in a watch list. I actually added this one earlier when I was doing a different video. So I don't really use the watch list that much myself. I just prefer to make lists. But if you use the watch list and you have a whole bunch of films here, you want to remove one, what you will do is you will hover over the film. You will click on the three dots right there. And we have this option now for remove from watch list. So we can remove that from the watch list. That has now gone. We can click on the watch list again. Just to refresh it, and it says you want to see 0 films, no films yet. Watch list is empty. If you wanted to actually add a film back in, just to show you a little bonus, that film again, let's go back 28 years later, The Bone Temple. We can click add to watch list right there, and again, just to remove it one more time, hover over 3 dots, whatever film you want to remove from watch list. Once I actually refresh that watch list, no films yet. That was how to remove a film from your watch list on Letterboxd. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.